Assalamualaikum everyone. My name is Nisarif, and today my presentation topic is automation system in electronics industry. So today's presentation we discuss about what is industrial automation, why there is need, their benefits, their applications, their challenges, their importance, and which type of robots used in the electronics industry. So first of all, we discuss about the definition of automation. What is industrial automation? As automation deals with the process of creating technologies to speed up the delivery of goods, services with minimum human touch. Industrial automation handles control systems and machines to manufacture faster with the help of robots that can replace a human being. Robotics for electronics manufacturing perfectly adapted to market requirements. View of the increasing demand for electronic devices and the growing shortage of skilled workers, the automation of electronics manufacturing process is indispensable. By using robots. Production processes can be adapted both flexibly and easily to meet the rapid changes in the market. Here are the robots which perform their function in the electronics industry. These common robots. Next, we discuss about the benefits of automation in electronics. First of all, increase productivity and efficiency. Percentage increase metrics. Improved quality control charts are graphs showing defect reduction, reduction in labor cost, comparison of automated was manual processes, enhanced safety measures, icons or symbols, demonstrating safety benefits. Scalability and flexibility illustration of how automation enables adaptable production processes. Next, we discuss about the applications of automation in electronics. Automation is really important in making electronics because it helps with many tasks from building things to checking them and packing them up. Here's applications putting things together. Machines can place tiny parts on circuit boards very precisely and fast, which makes manufacturing faster and more accurate. Next one, making parts. Machines can make plastic parts and put them together with electronic parts, making sure they fit perfectly. Next one is checking quality. Testing machines. Machines check if everything works correctly in electronics, making sure they are good before they are used. Watching closely, cameras and machines look at circuit boards to find mistakes like bad connections or missing parts. Next one is putting things in boxes. Robots help pack electronics safely, which is faster and safer than doing it by hand. Then which is keeping track. Machines also help keep track of how many parts are left and order more when needed. Next one is changing things easily, making changes. Machines can set up quickly to build different things or change how they work, which is handy when design change. Next one is saving energy and materials. Using less energy. Machines are good at using less electricity, which helps save money and is better for the environment, using less stuff. Machines also help use materials more carefully, making sure nothing is wasted. And here are the challenges in implementing automation. First one is initial cost. Installing automation system can be expensive upfront. Impact small companies or those with limited funds may find it hard to afford. And here the solution of this challenges, companies can consider financing options or introduce automation gradually to manage cost. Next one is integration with the existing systems. Making new automation work with current equipment is complex. Compatibility issues can cause delays or inefficiencies. And here is a solution. Planning well, testing thoroughly, and upgrading in stages can help avoid problems. Next one is skilled workforce needs. Operating and fixing automation system requires specialized skills. Uh, those person which are know about the their machinery. Finding enough skilled workers can be a challenge. Here a solution. Companies can train their staff, partner with the schools, or hire experienced professionals. Next one is safety issues. Ensuring that automated machines are safe for workers is crucial. Poorly designed systems can lead to accidents. And here is a solution of it. Of this, following safety rules, assessing risk carefully, and designing machines with workers' safety in mind and reduce risk. Uh, Here, the next point is importance of automation in electronics. What is the importance of automation in electronics industry? Number one, boosts the productivity of automation, speeds of production by doing tasks quickly and consistently without breaks. This means more products can be made in less time, meeting customer needs faster. Second one is improves quality control. Automated systems are very precise and can catch mistakes early. This leads to better quality products that meet strict standards. Third one is saves money. While getting up automation can be expensive, it saves money in the long run. It reduces cost by cutting down on labor needed for repetitive jobs and wasting less materials. Next one is flexibility and adaptability. Automation technology like robots can easily switch between different tasks and adjust to changes in what needs to be made. This helps companies respond quickly to market demands and make customized products efficiently. Number five, safety. Automation keeps workers safe by taking over risky tasks that could be dangerous. It reduces accidents and makes work safer for employees. And the last topic is which type of robots used in electronics manufacturing. Number one is industrial robots. These robots can do many different tasks like assembling electronics, soldering parts, and handling delicate components. They are very precise and use sensors to place parts exactly where they need to go. Next one is collaborative cobots. Cobots work alongside people without needing software safety barriers. They are great for tasks like picking up parts, packing products, and drawing tests, which makes production more flexible and efficient. Next one is SCAD boards. SCAD boards are further fast and accurate, perfect for putting electronics together quickly. And their feature is they can reach different angles and handle parts with precision on assembly lines. Next one is Delta robots. These robots are really speedy and precise at grabbing and placing things. And their feature is they are used for tasks like placing tiny parts on circuit boards or organizing small items. Next one is articulated robots. These robots move a lot like human arms with joints that bend and twist. And their feature is they are used for tricky jobs in electronics like clustering products or packing them up. Next one is mobile robots. These robots move around on their own to carry materials apart between different spots in a factory. And their feature is they are smart, using sensors and maps to avoid things in their way, and they find the quickest routes. And the last is that automated guided vehicles. Uh, they move materials or finished products around the factory, following cars or tracks that part them. Features they are handy for moving things smoothly between production. They're handy for moving things smoothly between production areas, storage and shipping. And here is the my present topic. So thanks everyone. Thank you.